Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you another video analysis, this one on Clean Energy Fuel Corporation, symbol CLNE. I did record this video on Monday, June 14th, 2021. This stock has gained attention recently. It's considered sort of as of last week, kind of the latest meme stock, if you will, by members of the 10 million strong Wall Street Bets trading community. It had a bit of a surge over the last few weeks. It's doubled in value from around $7 to $14 and change, and it's backed off. Last trade this morning, Monday, I've got $11.99, $12 roughly. I'm going to be walking you through the charts to see if this truly is a stock worth purchasing. Wicked Stocks offers two forms of membership, free and premium. Free membership is exactly as it sounds. For no cost or obligation, you will receive one free stock video analysis a week, typically released on Mondays. And if you provide your name and email address, you'll receive an email from us each and every time a new free weekly video is ready for viewing. The second form of membership is premium and provides at least two stock videos every week and costs $24.95 a month. Just click on the premium membership link, fill out your payment information through our safe gateway portal, and you'll receive an email each and every time a new premium video is ready for viewing. Cancellation is allowed at any time. If it really does have upward momentum, in fact, let's just jump into that, right now. I'm going to zoom in this area, this circle, and show you that there is a descending channel structure right now that, in my opinion, is your upward pivot point into July, and that's at 15.18 this week, the week of Monday, June 14th. That drops to 14.16 4 full weeks later, the week of Monday, July 12th. You can ascertain the exact location of this channel top all the way through July and beyond just by subtracting those two numbers out, divided by 4, and you'll know exactly where that is ongoing on a week-by-week basis. I don't show a clear sign that you should be buying this stock unless we settle above 15.18, and that could be even on a daily basis. And I'd say you'd want that 1% violation threshold. I like the 1% violation. At this point in time, above 15.18, it would be 15.33. You're just adding basically 15 cents to 15.18, 15.33. If we close at or above 15.33 at the end of any day. And with these stocks, there's such a frenzy that develops. Sometimes waiting for the closing bell is not an option. If you push through 15.18 or 15.33, as I say, this stock could rally into the $16, $17, $18 handle within the day or higher. And so stopping into a long position, having a resting buy stop, let's say at 15.33 or higher on an intraday basis, that's one leg of the position. I like to scale into long and short positions. So a long position, maybe you buy a third on a stop, you buy the other third with a daily settlement above 15.18, and you buy the final third if we close the week out above 15.18. Because if we do close above this channel structure, I'm envisioning another 50% gain from that price point into the lower 20s. And I think that could take as little as 1 week. It could take a day. I mean, we've seen some of this happen recently with some of these meme stocks. But under most circumstances, I would call that about a 3 to 5 week move. If we close above the 15.18 formation, whereby 23.10 becomes the next meaningful objective, and 23.10 rises to 23.84 4 full weeks later, you can ascertain that location as well by using the same method. What I like about the low 20s as not only a target, but a significant long-term resistance area is not so much in this chart, but if you back up once again to that long-term chart, you can see 23.84 is that rising channel top the week of July 12th. But more significantly is this long-term, roughly horizontal channel structure descending slightly. This week at 22.84 drops 2 ticks to 22.82 4 full weeks later. And so you can ascertain that location as well. I'm just going to call it the low 20s. $22 to $24 a share is a significant overhead price ceiling. And if you're long from the buy signal above 15.18, let's say, and you carry it up into the low 20s, this is a great area to unload all of your stock, in my opinion. Obviously, you would buy it once again if we push through 23.84, but I think this zone of resistance is one that could contain buying on an annual basis. And once again, I'm not anticipating it until or unless we close above that 15.18 channel top. Until then, this stock can plod along and actually fall back not only to the recent lows in May, but quite possibly to this channel bottom presently at 548. This week, June 14th, drops to 424 the week of July 12th. Subtract them out, divide by 4, and you'll know where that descending channel bottom is each and every week in between. I'm going to say this market right now, holding below 15.18, is susceptible to rotating back into July, into the $5 area. I don't have an indication of that. I think that becomes clearer if we settle this week, for instance, below the low of the recent high of 932. So if we close below 932 any day this week or at the end of this week, certainly, then I would have an objective 1 to 3 weeks or so to that 548 channel. Bottom drops to 424 4 weeks later. And this area is also consistent with long-term support. Presently at 366, we'll just call it 365 all the way through July. This former channel top that we settled above last October and that set off a significant buying spree is now at 365 essentially. And so I'll just call it the 360s to $4 area is potentially in reach. If tested between now and say the end of July, can absorb selling through the rest of the year. I don't really see it as an objective yet, once again, unless we close below 932, and then I think it's likely. But overall, holding below that 15.18 channel top does allow the 365 area over the next, I'm going to say, few months. And inversely, closing above 15.18 would indicate the lower 20s, the 22 and change to 23 and change area within about 3 to 5 weeks. I think that that's really all that needs to be said. No good reason to buy this market unless either A, we close above 15.18 and you want to buy it aggressively under that situation, or B, you're allowing this market to fall all the way back into the 365 area over the coming months, whereby I think it's a good acquisition on a long-term basis as an investment, but not really as a momentum trade by any means. I think that's really all that needs to be said for this particular Wicked Stocks video on Clean Energy Fuel Corporation.